Ngayon, itong mga NGO, you have been repeating this kind of sloganeering that, drug addiction is a disease, is an ailment. Sakit yan. Hindi dapat patayin. Dapat igamot. Okay. Itong saan ba opisina ninyo? Itong 600,000 ibigay ko sa inyo bukas. Sabihin ko doon sa mga, i-deliver ninyo yan. Sino yan? Yung NGO. Ala, sige. Ipagamot mo. Sabi mo, sakit yan. Sige. Bigay mo. Kayo na ang bahala. Human rights. United Nations, come here. You lecture dito. Instead, okay mga NGO, you go around, lecturing, in Cebu. Let alone yung salvaging. Huwag kayong pumasok dyan, kayong mga anak. Kayo naghihintay lang. Pag may matumba, human rights violation. Ako, I guaranteed, they will not go to prison, period. In the performance of duty, itong mga to, they will not one of them will go to prison. Hanggang presidente ako. Wala yung, I will not allow a police officer or a soldier or an officer of the armed forces in the performance of the duties kasuhan ninyo. I would like to say now, they will never go to prison. Not under my watch. Ngayon, itong mga police na kidnapper, itong mga naglasing dyan o spraying the Armalite and killing civilians, well, I'm sorry. Kasali yan doon sa basura ka sa akin tingin ko. Do not pray for any deliverance from me. P.O. Michael Cortez, Barili Police Station. SPO1 Jen de la Victoria, PS5 Cebu CPO. SPO1 Onel Nabua, Barili Police Station. PO2 Jumar Ibanez, Lapu-Lapu Police Station. PO3 Ryan Martos Hiamco, Cebu Provincial Office. PNP Officers, Mindanao. PCI Ibrahim Jabiran, Zamboanga CPO. PCI Perfecto Abrasaldo, Awit Jr., Misamis Oriental. Police Inspector Roy Sinojales Montes, Iligan PRO. Police Superintendent Ricardo Gando, alias Pulot, alias Cap Dugans, Chief of Police, Quezon, Bukidnon. Police Inspector Martin Plaza, former Panabo Chief Intel. Kaya ka. 600,000. Ito yan sila. Police non-commissioned officer. Pioman Pierre Diso. Yung aide ko pa man, si Dilo. O baka mapalitan nila ito, maaresto ko si Dilo, kawawa naman. Yung isang aide ko, yung counterpart niya sa Manila. PO3 Omar, itong Zamboanga de Soriana, Diso. PO1 Omar Juani, Zamboanga City Public Safety. Romel Mansol, PRO 9. Ba't itong report na ito? PO3 Darrell Page, Tabasan Municipal Station. SPO1 Totong Joe Valdez, 9 RMG. SPO1 Rodrigo, butit na lang ni Duterte. Malapit ang madisgrasya dito. Babaril ako sa likod. Nakakak ng mga baril niyan eh. Naghanap lang yan ng excuse for matay. SPO4 Rodrigo Ramos, Bukidnon, PRO. SPO1 Rinaldo de la Victoria, CDO. SPO3 Emilio Mendoza, Losaria, PP5, Iligan City. Marlo Espinosa, Bukidnon. Police SPO3 Richie Mat, CIDG Mate, Davao Oriental. Ano siguro ito yung Dabaoin nyo? SPO3 Rosel Olivera, CIDG Tagum, Davao del Norte. PO3 Jesse Balabag, Region 11. Ikaw, bakit ka nakatawa dyan? Ikaw, ha? PO3 Filimino Soronia, Digos Police Station. PI1 Glen Alicarte, PO Pro 12. Walang address. PO1 Philip Pantarolia, Tacorong City Police Office. SPO1 Jerry De La Rosa is SCP PO. That complete. PO3 Bebot Ruiz, GSC PO. Police PO3 Estilito Solanyo, Malongon, MPS Sarangani. PO1 Jeribel Oxio, PRO Arimen. I am sorry for my country. I grieve for the agony and suffering of the Republic of the Philippines. SPO1 Billones Ernesto, NCR. JS1 Montemayor Lito, Rojas District, Jail, Apari District. PO1, PO1, Vicente Rinaldo Celes, NCR. PG Saet Drexel, Mima Rupa. SPO1 Tubil Felix, Region 3. SPO3 Angeles Nicolas Ponce, Region 3. SPO2 Mersini Rod Marindoki, BFP. FO1 Rinaldo Valencia, Claveria Police Station. Sergeant Vic de la Cruz, Mimarupa. Brigadier General Leonzo Daniega, NCR. SPO3 Jerry Mendoza, NCR. Rimanti Daito, Region 5. Raymar Daito, Region 5. Visayas, Zamora Renato Gumaro, Region 6. JO1 Alan Coca, Manatad, Region 7. SPO3 Christy Cielo Tingag, Region 7. Mindanao. This is the last. Meron tayong problema dito. Arsad Kasim Miro Castro Kafgo, 38 IB 6 Infantry Division, ARMM. PFC Arsad Philip Miro, 40 IB 6 Infantry Division, RMM. Corporal Cusinan Lopez Giamad Loy, 52 Brigade, ARMM. PFC Mama Dali Ipad, 64th IB 6 Infantry Division, ARMM. Yasin Abul Galib Bobong, Yasin Boboy, walang ano. JO1 Cubatso Alfredo Gales. FO1 Aplaca Nicolas Ponce. ARMM, FO3 Ibanez Ricardo Villaris, Region 9, Marine Corporal Alfrens Burias Abidin, Western Mindanao, Jimmy Manglangit, Region 12. This is others are doing revalidation again. Alam ko kasi hindi I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Pero pag ito kasi, it has undergone a process. So, any mistake of the military and the police dito, ako yung nakasala. I ordered the listing, I ordered the validation, I'm the one reading it, and I am the sole person responsible for this all. Now, I am ordering those mentioned here, I said, report to your chief PNP 24 hours. You are hereby relieved of your whatever your position there. Malis kayo dyan, mag-report kayo. I said, I'll be harsh. Lahat ng mga mayors dito na mention, I'm ordering the PNP chief tanggalin yung police supervision and cancel any and all private arms na nakalisensya sa kanila. They're all canceled. Go out naked to the world and show your kalokohan ninyo. Lahat, military, police, pag ikaw assign sa security, go back to your mother immediately. Tapos yung cancellation of the firearms licenses and permits sa lahat ng minensyong ito are ordered, cancelled as of tonight. Lahat kayong judge, whatever, you report to the Supreme Court. Police, you report to PNP Chief. And sa Army, you report to the Chief of Staff, General Vizcaya. 24 hours lahat. You do not do that, I will order the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the entire PNP to hunt for you. Salamat po.